Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to do some aesthetic tweaks to the car. I am beyond excited to announce that I'm working with a company called Badgeskins. A lot of you guys have probably heard of them. They make super high quality vinyl badge overlays. I mean, they make anything from brake caliper overlays to, like side marker overlays, even interior things. Like I'll show you guys, they even make a little thing to cover this, the warning triangle, to cover that housing. So they do everything they can possibly, that you can pretty much imagine. I mean, they make even overlays for the Pretoria wheels, for the Austin wheels, and the newer style GTI wheels as well. And I decided, because I just recently applied paint protection film to my headlights, that I'm going to put on my reflector deletes. And as you guys can see, I did a pretty okay job. Not too bad on the air bubbles. This is the first one that I did, and we got some air bubbles down here. But you know what? Not too bad for a DIY. I was gonna make a video on it, but it just wasn't the quality that I wanted. So nevertheless, they're on, and the paint protection film is gonna help keep these headlights safe from any further rock chips. Basically, for the theme of this video is we're gonna do the front reflector delete. We're gonna do our brake caliper overlay. I got one in a special unique color. You have to stay tuned for what color I picked. I'll probably do that towards the end of the video. And then we're gonna do our rear reflector delete. So, pretty tasteful mods. I went with a cool honeycomb style you guys will see shortly. But I can't wait to share with you guys, and I can't wait to see what the car is gonna look like. All right, to start us off, here is our driver's side reflector delete. It comes like so. As you can see, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it off the backing, and it does have a little handle or a little peel, so you don't actually touch the adhesive, which is really handy. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna take this and we're just gonna hold it on these little corner spots. And we're gonna hopefully align it perfectly on our first go, because that's important to me. No, not really. Now all we need to do is remove this these handles, these backings, and then hopefully there shouldn't be really any air bubbles, but it's not uncommon, just a vinyl thing. But yeah, so far, I mean, application was not too bad. It's just alignment. If you're kind of an OCD person like myself, it's a bit tricky, but it's not bad. So far, so good. So let's tear this off to a nice glossy black vinyl, which really does look nice. Try to tear nice and gently, and voila! Not too shabby, guys, right? I think it looks pretty okay. What do you guys think? Definitely leave in the comments below which Badgeskins is your favorite. Looks pretty darn good. The edges are all nicely seated. Yeah, no, it's super high quality too. Yeah, no, I like it for sure, and you can sort of see the amber just a little bit, but again, you have to look so closely, and that's just such a clean look. It just looks European. All right, so now we're gonna move on to the rear reflector delete. All right, so here they are, as you guys can see. They're all packaged up nicely, so these just go pretty much right here, and they hide any of this ugly red stuff. Of course, they are still reflective, if you guys were wondering. So, there's still good legality behind it, but they're gonna be a lot darker, and yeah, I think I'm gonna be a big fan of it. So what we're gonna do now is, because I haven't cleaned this area yet, I'm just gonna take a microfiber and just wipe it off. Alright, so now we've removed it from its backing for the primary housing or seating, I guess you could say. Now it looks like the aggressive, this is kind of the long swooping, so kind of like so. This aggressive sharp turn goes right here, so I guess this should probably align a little bit easier than the front ambers, but again, you probably have a little bit of flexibility when it comes to adjustments. All right, check that out, guys. Not too shabby. It's like our microfiber. Just seated nice and properly. Yeah, you know what? Not too bad. Looks pretty good. As you can probably see, and the camera's picking up actually better than it is for just Ida, just looking at it, but you can see definitely there's still some red, and that's just the fact that there is still a reflector, obviously, you know. So it's definitely it'll definitely still reflect, but you know, for the most part, it's kind of concealed, and that's what I like about it. So again, if you guys have any air bubbles, you can always take a little fine pointed thing and just pop them. All right, so now the all-important grand finale. As you guys can see, this is gonna soon turn into blue. I went with this is called electric blue, but it's very, very similar to lapis blue, and it's gonna be in there to kind of be in the shade a little bit, so it's pretty much lapis blue. So, as you guys can already see, even at 5,000 miles, this is starting to fade, so we're gonna replace that with this, and I'm so excited to see what blue is gonna do to this brake, because obviously, it's very blah in here. We got a black wheel, black caliper, and a white logo. So I think blue is definitely going to spice it up a little, and I'm super excited to see what the final result's going to be. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean this up, and then we're going to put on the blue R logo. All right, so this is important. We want to get this on straight, because this is on the brake. And yeah, no, I'm definitely going to be looking at it a lot if it's not on properly. Holy cow, you guys. This is what the Golf R should come with. It should come with blue. Holy guacamole. I'm super psyched about this one. I mean, I really like I really wanted the reflector deletes, but like, you guys, this looks so good. We'll walk around and kind of give you a little pan of the car. You see that? Like, that just sticks out so much more. And it is just pretty much lapis blue. They call it electric blue, but you know what? It looks just so darn good. What do you guys think? It's so cool. So as you can see, we have our reflector delete in the front. Super clean. You can kind of see the orange, but you know what? That's totally fine. It's really still hard to see. And especially at this side profile, which is probably, you know, arguably the Golf R's best angle to look at this car is at this side. So Guys, this is so cool. Badgeskins is a super legit, like, oh my god, they hooked us up, guys, and I'll leave a link to the Badgeskins website. You guys can check out all of these things. Keep in mind we installed the rear reflector. This came with kind of a honeycomb gloss, and so that was the first installation, and of course our headlight reflector delete and the brake caliper. So that's, guys, it's such high quality stuff. All right, so before I end the video, I just want to give a personal thank you to Badgeskins and Peter. His name is Raw Shooter on Instagram. You guys should follow both of the accounts, Badgeskins and Raw Shooter. Guys, they really hooked us up, and be sure to check them out. They have some high quality stuff, and you guys, I barely even like started any of this stuff. We have chrome deletes to do. We have some rear taillight stickers to do. Guys, we have badge inlays, like actual our badge inlays to do. We have so much more, and I can't wait for more content with this car. Badgeskins makes some really quality products, and be sure to check them out. So with that said, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.